jellyfish.
Huh? Yeah, that's their eyes. They're going to swim. Right here. That one? Oh, that one, Lola hold.
Well, right now, let Lola hold it for a minute while you look at the fishies, okay?
These are statues.
You want a what?
Look at these fish, Joe.
Whoa, that's a big one. Yeah, the yellow one. It's a good fish. The jellyfish. It's a small jellyfish. Look at that, the small one. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Just sleeping. Not like the other one, just swimming.
What's in that?
Where we go?
What are these, Kaden?
Those are the actual ones that Marinee saw first, and it's like one. Oh wow, there's fish under the floor too.
You want to go look at them? Here, Jonathan. Look at the floor, Kaden.
Oh yeah, there's some up in the air too, you guys.
Fish burger, daddy. Which one you like? Say hi, fishy. Look at the other one looking at you. Say hi, Kaden. What's here?
Okay, Lola. Let's go ahead and go out. And you set up to 10 people? So yeah, I mean, that literally is the same cost almost as if going, if you have 10 people splitting
You
it.
don't have to have a park ticket.
Right.
Like, you have to have a pass.
So you have to pay a ticket and that, okay, yeah.
But if you're like us, we have an annual pass.
Right.
It's not anything.
I wonder when ours expires. I gotta look and see.
I have access to it on my phone.
Don't know. I don't see him. Just see Marini and Joe.
Steven!
Oh, you want to hold it?
We did not see the shark.
It's a whale shark. We were by those in Cebu, in Oslo.
Where's the shark?
We just were going to find a shark.
He's on the water.
Mm-hmm.
He's on
Hold the camera up, Joe. You gotta record everything. Oh, there we go.
He's under the water. He's under the water.
Yeah, I only got into the water. Here, let me see that real quick. Let Lolo see real quick. I want to get you with the sharks. Oh, look at this, Joe.
Oh, there's the shark.
Oh, no, Lolo's gonna do this one. You watch the sharks.
There's the shark.
There's one right here.
There's the shark.
Look at that. Oh, look at the shark. The big shark laying there.
Look at that. There's the one. There's the other one, the big one. This is the big one?
The hammerhead, Joe.
Oh, the hammerhead shark, Joe.
There's a nurse shark up there.
Mommy knows her sharks. That's a black tip right there.
It has that black tip.
Black tip's yummy. It's good eating.
I know.
There's sharks everywhere. You're sitting right here. See his teeth, Jojo? Jojo, look.
Oh, look at his teeth.
Jojo, look at his teeth.
Kira. Look at the teeth. You see them? Look up. I'd take them too. I'll put you right next to
I don't think you will.
I think I missed all of that.
We got our sand sharks.
Holy crap, look! Oh, I'm not taking those. I think they're nice guys.
They're sleepy. That's what I want my own camera.
I think I might